I was always taught, okay, first you teach the skill and then you generalize the skill and then you maintain the skill. And that's not always the case anymore. I mean, when I put together a program, right from the very beginning, I'm thinking about maintenance and generalization. And the reason is because if you're not teaching something right from the get-go that is ever going to maintain or generalize across settings, what's the point in even teaching it? You're really just wasting that learner's time. So right from the very beginning, if I'm teaching somebody what a cup is, I'm not going to just use one cup. I'm going to use 5 different examples of cups right from the very beginning. And then I'm going to also, teach that program, at the table, but I'm going to teach it in the kitchen. If I've got access to a kitchen, I might teach it, at snack time that it's a cup in the natural environment. And I'm going to be teaching it in a whole bunch of different places, almost right from the beginning so that kids can generalize that right away.